My name is Arshura Sama. As you might have seen in my previous videos, I do a quick demonstrations on the task I have been allocated by working as a data science and business analyst intern at the Sparks Foundation. So today in this video, I'll give you a quick demonstration on the visualization part. So here I have retail sales data of the United States, which consists of multiple states where they have products based on the type, shipment mode type, like standard, first class, secondary, profit, the discount, quantity, etc. So I've loaded them. Now let's see what dashboards are made. So these dashboards are quite interactive in nature. So if you update or click on any field, it will render as per the particular field. So let's quickly go through what I have done. So I have made a sales dashboard. As you can see, the first is sales. This is a sales distribution based on the city and the quantity sold. So highest is being sold in New York City of the following amount, that is nearly 256k, and lowest is in Burlington over here. Based on the region, that is west, east, central, south. As we can see, west is the most popular region, and the location. So let's click on one field and analyze it. So if I see New York is the most popular region for sales with almost 256,000k, which falls under the east region, as you can see is being pointed by the map. If you want to see example the sales of this west region, the most popular, so it comprises of multiple cities and cities. You can see over here, they highlighted over here, which comes in LA, San Diego. So this dashboard gives you a summarized view where as a hiring manager I can see the sales distribution across the region. Now next is shipment mode. So here I'm based on the region, that is so following four regions I am analyzing the profits. So west being the popular has the most profit, and the type of shipment, that is standard, second class. So most is a standard class shipment. Similarly, it's interactive in nature. If you click on the particular field, it will update the following field and show the statistics. So in the west, you can see there's the most profit, which falls in the following states, and the most they are in the standard class, followed by shipment, etc. So this gives you high level view of profits based on the region and the type of shipment. Last but not the least is the segmentation. So the popularly they deal with segments of following categories, that is consumer, corporate, and home office. But following categories have subcategories as well. So if I click on the category consumer over here and the furniture category, I can see there are multiple subcategories. So it comes under chair, furniture, book sales, and tables. Now, if I try to analyze the profits, you can see the upwards are the profit ones and the lowers are losses. Basically, they are dealing in losses. So I can see usually the consumer region is mainly in the profit region with far lesser margin of losses. Okay, so that's a high level view of how dashboards I've made. If you have any queries, do let me know. Yeah, do like, subscribe, and comment on my video if you have any feedback. This was a quite short and informative video. In future, I would like to make some more. Thank you so much.